To fix an iPad screen color glitch, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the issue. Press and hold the sleep-wake button until the power-off slider appears. Then drag it to the right to turn off your iPad. Wait for a few seconds and press the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears. If the problem persists, adjust the display settings by going to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and ensure that True Tone is turned off. Also, check the zoom settings by going to Settings, then Accessibility, then Zoom, and make sure it is turned off. Next, reset all settings by going to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPad, then Reset, and select Reset all settings. This will restore the default settings without deleting any data. If the issue still exists, try restoring your iPad to its factory settings by going to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPad, then erase all content and settings. Before doing this, make sure to back up your data to iCloud or iTunes. In some cases, the color glitch may be caused by a software issue, so check for any available updates by going to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem and you should contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for further assistance.